Hey, in this video, I'm going to go through how to make make and send a birthday card in SendOutCards. So I'm logged into my back office in SendOutCards. Just a quick introduction. My name is Tony Anzer. My website for SendOutCards is snailmailking.com. Check it out. You got all you need to know about SendOutCards, and you can click the link to send a free SendOut card, of which you could follow along with basically me from this point on. So now I'm just going to do a birthday card. So here we go. Click birthday. And then so you can scroll through the available birthday cards. This one's jumping out at me right now. So we're sending a printed card. So you have the digital option. They call them an AX card for SendOut cards. I'm doing the printed card by delivery. So then we have the options of going to a flat card, a 2-panel card, 3-panel card, big card, or postcard. I'm going to do a standard 2-panel card. And then you also have options if you want to go for satin or pearl. You just use standard cards. Standard cards turn out really nice. And then a quick pause. So these are what the envelopes look like when they arrive. So they're in a blue color, which is kind of cool because it makes them stand out from just the standard white envelopes. It makes them a little more exciting to open. And to see what a card looks like here's one that my kid sent me or made for Father's Day. It's got a nice texture to it. You're able to include photos, a nice note. So just wanted to show that. I know with the blur out, you're not seeing it too well. But okay, so here we got a birthday card. You can see the front panel, inside panels, and then back panels. So I use this mostly in our real estate business. I love the marketing side of things. That's what found us at SendOutCards. So with this, here we go. So we got the front you really can't do anything with because that's pretty full. On the inside, you have options as to what you want to do. I always like filling this with a fun photo. So what I'm going to do is, instead of putting text, I'm going to go to layouts, a big image, and then, so I'm going to add an image. I have some images saved already. I usually have some funny stuff here. Here we go. I like cats. I don't have a cat. I'm afraid I'm tearing up the couch or something, but I like cats. So we have that here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this layout because we have our signatures scanned in already. So I'm going to go to a option that has, I think this guy is it. So, hey, Wyatt. We'll pick my son. It's not his birthday, but we'll pick it up. Hey, Wyatt. Happy birthday. Hope it's a great day. And then, this would be kind of funny that we would sign it all ourselves, but so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and here we go. So that's my family's signatures. We scan this in, and then so we can use that to sign it. And then, so now we're cooking with gas here. So I'm going to go to the next panel. And now, okay, so here now on the back panel, I clicked add back panel. And I previously made this one. So for our real estate business, this is the one we use when we send out like 600 birthday cards a year. And this is the back panel we use. So, yeah, so that's what the card is going to look like. And then, also one thing that's fun to do too is stickers are now a thing. So you could add stickers. Wyatt does like soccer. That would be a fitting sticker. And you can put stickers really anywhere. You can put them. You just have to select. So if I wanted to put them on this side, I could put them here. I just have to select the panel first. Graduation. There we go. That's having a graduation. And birthday. So there we go. And then, so now I'm going to click send. As it does that, I just want to shout out again the website. So you can send a free card here. And if you choose to sign up with SendOutCards and sign up through my website, then you get my support and training and all that good stuff, which I like to think adds value. All right, so now we have this set up. We're kind of just making sure everything looks right. Scheduled to send immediate. So you can send immediately or you can send in advance for it to arrive on a birthday. So if I click arrive on birthday or anniversary or specific date, we could do that. I'm just gonna have it send immediately. If you wanted to change the paper type or anything like that, if I wanted to include a gift, I won't get much into that for sake of time, but there's all kinds of different gifts that we could send. And then I'm going to add recipient. search form, and then if it's not in there, all you do is you click add new address, and then you would enter in the person. So I'm going to click Wyatt, done, and then, yep. So then return address. Sometimes I change the address depending on what I'm sending it for or who, what the purpose is. If it's like a friend, I'll use my name. But if it's like a business related thing, you can change all you have to do is click this and you can change what the return address is. So then I'm going to check out, and to send it, if I click confirm and send, that would be it. That would send it out. I'm not going to send it because it's not his birthday, but that's how you would make and send a birthday card in SendOutCards.